Well, right now we are tracking storms across Metro Atlanta. Check out this video from our storm tracker Diane Bonds in Heard County. You can see the Chattahoochee River overflowing there. Chief Meteorologist Chris Holcomb tracking the rain for you right now. Chris?
Yeah, we're keeping an eye on those storms. Nicole and I were just talking here. That warning that we had earlier, the severe thunderstorm warning for Jasper and Putnam County, did just expire at the bottom of the hour here at 5:30. So that expired on time. But these are the two areas of storm genesis that we were telling you about yesterday that we will be watching on the south side for one area of rain that could be strong. And then later on in the late afternoon and evening, the next round coming in with the front. And that's how things are developing out there right now. In Atlanta, we're kind of in between those right now. Here's a look over to the east of us. As we mentioned, that severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Jasper County and Putnam County just expired at the bottom of the hour. But look at all of this rain and lightning. What prompted that warning was some very large hail. It has fallen apart, but they still have plenty of lightning and rain there. That extends up to I-20, moving over Lake Oconee here with thunder and lightning extending north of I-20 into parts of Oconee County, moving through Greene County and eventually into Oglethorpe County. We had rain here in Atlanta a little bit earlier, mainly heavy on the south side, and then it pushed over to the east. That's diminishing, but we're not finished with the rain yet. So there's the first part that we're watching on the south side. Look at all that lightning. We just did a lightning count on this. We're talking about 1,200 lightning strikes in the past 15 minutes here for all of this rain that you see down to the south from Madison stretching toward Thomaston over toward the LaGrange area. So that's Genesis area number one of the storms. Here's the next area of storm development we're watching for tonight. We're seeing some storms developing now north of Canton and Cherokee County up into parts of Pickens County. More storms developing coming out of Alabama, moving into Chattooga County, some near Rome now. There's the actual front back into Alabama and Tennessee. That is the second tornado watch we have. We have one in northwest Georgia and one here on the south side as well. Here's our view in Rome as we're looking toward the west as those storms are developing. The wind is kicking up, and that's what's going to be pushing into northwest Georgia in just a little while. Here's a look at the two separate watches. Atlanta sandwiched in between both of these. The first one is along I-20 and southward. That expires at 10 o'clock. Then as the front comes in and additional storms roll in, we have these counties in northwest Georgia also in a tornado watch until 10 o'clock. We'll wait and see if that is expanded into our area because we still have the level 3 risk for severe storms here, with the main threats being damaging wind, heavy rain, and tornadoes possible. So here's the timeline through the rest of the nighttime hours. We have these storms down to the south that are going to be moving over to the east and diminishing. Then we wait for the next area, area of rain and storms developing along that front. That'll keep moving our way tonight. We expect it to weaken somewhat late tonight and overnight. So during the evening is the timeline most likely. We'll be watching those storms. Then we get better tomorrow. It is going to turn breezy tomorrow. Temperatures in the 60s. The sunshine will come back, but again, that wind will be whipping up at times. We'll see highs near 67 tomorrow with decreasing clouds. A low rain chance Friday at 20%. Much cooler air though, with highs near 59 degrees. And then as we continue through the period, we'll have conditions that are going to be extending on with really chilly air Saturday and Sunday morning in the 30s, and then warming back up into the 70s next week with that low rain chance coming back in Tuesday and also on Wednesday. Take a look at your weather wow moment for tonight. This is from Robin Weeman at Lake Peachtree. Just a look at all that fog that we had this morning. It was the calm before the storms started moving through earlier today. Thank you, Robin, for sending that in. Robin is one of our 11 Alive community storm trackers. You can also be a part of that group on Facebook. Just search 11 Alive Storm Trackers. They've been giving us some great information and pictures and videos of the storms today. You can check that out as well as submit your pictures, videos, and information too. Just ask to become a member and we'll let you in.